don't talk that much. I try not to talk that much with this.
Flashing red light at the end of the one train.
I saw it. Yeah.
That replaces the caboose car. They used to have a caboose.
I wish they could.
It had the people that could turn on the brakes from the back of the train. My uncle used to do that. He worked for the railroad.
I wish there could be a fake caboose nowadays to replicate the look, but still actually do the job. That's what I missed, the look of the caboose.
That train has extra wheels, extra things on the track. See 4 extra things?
What train?
Right, those right there. See the 4 extra things between the wheels?
That train?
Oh, that's where they left the liquid out. It said those are liquid tanks. That isn't a wheel, that's the drain. Those hold liquid. The tank car holds liquid. Each one of those lids is a different tank.
I try to keep it no commentary.
Whatever, you can always edit it out, right?
I don't really edit it out. I just am screwed.
Okay, there's car carriers right there.
Can you go across the street?
There, you see the cars in it? Right there. See the cars sparkle? See the cars and trucks inside? On the one that had thinner metal? Here comes some more of those. You might be able to see the cars through it.
Can you go across?
Here, look at this red car. Red something.
Let's go across.
No, come over here.
Oh.
Let's see the other side.
Who worked for the cabooses that you do? Is it Homer? Is it Homer who worked for them? Your uncle?
I was hoping we could see through. You can see the cars in there, sort of. See, look, there's cars. See cars? Right there. See them?
I see them.
Here come the engines. This right here. You'll see the engines go by. Do I go on top of them or what?
Woo! Engine number 1. I mean, I'm just making up numbers. Engine made up number 2. Made up engine number 3. Is this Union Pacific on the 1571? Is one of the numbers? Do you have drivers on the trains from the back and the front? I mean, from the cars in the back and the front? So they swap drivers? I think that's the air brake. I mean, I don't know if it has air brakes, but it sounds like what the semi-truck air brake would sound like.
Air brakes, right? Westinghouse.
What?
Westinghouse is the air brakes.
So Westinghouse invented them?
Original.
How good were they from the original versions?
They worked.
But were they not as good as nowadays? I don't think they're as good as nowadays. I mean, I would assume they aren't.
That train on a sidetrack, they got to go a little further.
That train,
No, the one that's here.
the one that's not that.
This train here. This one, it's on the sidetrack, and then they got to get it a little further off, and then they can disconnect the engines if they want to leave it there. Remember, the track has to be long enough to hold the entire train. You can't have it hanging off, you know. So right now, nothing could go by on this track. So they, oh, turn it up, they're dinging the horn.
Does it look like my camera's good set up?
Good enough.
There goes the train.
Disconnected some cars. I don't know what they're doing. We'll find out.
Does the lighting look good? Like all the settings? I think it looks good.
The big train over there, look, over there.
I'm zooming in.
Yeah.
Is that it?
See it, right? Way out there, the big one, the cars. Far away.
The one I'm zooming into?
I guess. I don't know. It's going under the freeway. Or it's going to come around this way, I don't know. Let's see. I think it's going under the freeway.
Is that your? Oh, never mind. That was just someone else's screen. Someone left there.
Kevin, train. That big train's coming. Want to come over here? Come on. Come on. The one you see over there, the long one? Here it comes, Kevin. Right here. Right there. Right there.
There it comes. Shh. Are you real Fanic
Okay, this
too?
other train's coming now.
Are you real Fanic too?
Wave to him, Kevin.
Are you also real Fanic? Yes, you are.
I'm going to send you these. There'll be links on iCloud for you to do whatever you want with, okay?
I have a lot of storage.
What?
I have a lot of storage. I have plenty of storage within my phone. I think I heard the track switch.
Have fun, Kevin.
Yes, I hope I could do this with road crossings too. Does your iPhone let you pause the recording before ending it? So, I think my phone looks like it's good for recording. Is it too dark? You complain about how my phone looks bad. Like, so I think it's because of my ISO and whatever the setting is. I think I wanted to pause the video. Is the train moving?
Sent you iCloud links, okay? Two videos.
I don't need your videos when I can do it myself.
What?
I can record really good. You can hardly notice that my camera is worse. I mean, you can't really notice that it's worse than yours.
wood. That's lumber right there.
How does my camera look now?
I don't know, that's lumber right there. See?
Wow. The white packs there?
Underneath the, yeah, white stuff. Yeah, it's plywood.
Do you find interest in this tube?
They got to strap it in so it doesn't fall off the train. Douglas County Forest Products.
County Forest Products?
Douglas County Forest Products. So that's right over there. See that over there? The gray stuff and the blue. Way that far away. Those are rail cars for Walmart and other people. Tons of them.
This is really interesting that you can have such joy over this nowadays. Just recording it and sending it to viewers to see your joy about it.
This thing had scrap metal in it. All of it didn't come out. car stopped. Must be done disconnect and go backwards or something. Whatever they put in that one car bent it. Oh man.
Did a mistake happen?
Yeah, you can see the sides of both.
So did they mess it up bad? Oh, old. Damn, where are you guys? I had to change one of my settings to automatic to fix the quality.
It's cold.
I don't care. I like it.
Yeah, we're gonna wait for that.
I mean, for myself, I don't care because I like it for myself. I'm not saying I don't care about you.
They got their little cars and they go down and disconnect stuff. Come backwards. They're checking on you, Kevin. They're checking on you.
Bad Kevin, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when you got bad Kevin? You seem like you would be good in my talk shows for YouTube.
So one video I sent you, which you probably took it all of it. You could actually count how many cars there were and figure out how long the train.
Look, it's better quality because I tapped that automatic setting. It was like this setting.
The color's all wrong.
It's
Terrible.
what do I have to change?
I sent you a really good one. I sent you one in high dynamic range and everything.
I'm gonna try to change this to.
I sent you an HDR video of the train.
There, is that better color?
Well, I sent you 2 HDR videos. Here, Kevin. You want to see what mine looks like? Yeah.
There, I'll change the color.
Here's mine, Kevin.
Does mine look better now?
Yeah, Kevin, look at mine. Okay? I mean, really. What are you doing?
Record again.
See how mine is, Kevin? Beautiful.
Is mine better? No, did I change the color?
Here, look. Mine's beautiful.
I just don't know how to. Like, I mean, I just forget to change certain settings.
I just let the camera do it. So I paid all that money for it.
I'm able to do stuff manually.
I don't need to do it manually. I paid all the money for it.
Sometimes manual is better. Can you wait for the train to end?
What?
Like to stop coming out? This time.
They may not go all the way.
Well, let's wait until it stops moving.
Cars moving it from one track to the other. Or they were connecting it up to the other train. Here comes another train, Kevin.
Can I go?
Another train, yeah.
Should I wave? It stopped to wait for that train.
It's probably because the signal says stop.
That makes more sense now. I mean, obviously, well, there has to be a signal to say stop if the train stops, but it's backing up, I think. I like that smell of the fuel. It smells good. Oh, another train's coming in. I mean out, or whatever you call it. That train. My phone's good. I just have to do a lot of stuff manually, unless I choose the automatic setting.
Here's two planes at the same time. Kevin,
Planes?
two right here. Two planes at the same time. Look, Kevin, right there, right there.
When you took that?
One of them's right now. One of them's that way, and one of them's right there, and the other one's over there.
Oh. I see it in the sky. Do my colors look accurate now?
I don't know.
I'm going to go to the other side because that train's going that side. I turned the setting to auto. That was not auto. Is Swift a milk brand? Is Swift milk? What? What is Swift? What is the brand Swift?
NASCAR.
What is Swift?
What?
What's Swift?
What's what?
Swift. Is it milk?
That's just a trucking company. Here comes 3 engines. Choo choo. Okay, can we go now?
Oh, is that?
We're gonna go.
Is that a short train? It's short.
Just 3 engines, Kevin. They're just probably going.
Can I wave?
They're probably going. They're gonna turn around and they're gonna connect up to other engines or something. Okay?
After this train passes. Wait, if it stops again.